It's Pete from Cheap Homesteading. I'm in the garage this morning and we're going to try to get the Holzfforma drill attachment up and running. What happened was when I ordered this drill attachment for my chainsaw, they said that it was going to fit a Stihl MS250. So when I went to install it, it wouldn't fit on, and then I found out that the drive connector is a 6-tooth. The MS250 comes with a .325 chain, 7-tooth, and the drive sprocket they send you is a 6-tooth 3/8 chain. I left a message with the company and they never got back to me. So Amazon came to the rescue because on Saturday I looked it up and I tracked one down, I ordered it, and it showed up on Monday. Amazon is like your personal parts department. It's great. So we are going to install this and see if we can get this drill up and running.
The Amazon kit comes with an inner washer, an outer washer, a bearing, clutch with flyweights, and the drum. I'm only going to really use the drum. We are going to keep these, we are going to keep these for extra parts. So make sure your bearing's there, throw your drum on. So this is how it'll look when you take your chain guard off. You take your clip off, you take your washer off, and you'll have your clutch drum. You get your drive gear for the drill, and the side that has the bulges goes towards the chainsaw, and it slides over, and this time it fits. You get your little washer, you put it down in the hole, and you push down, and then you get your locking clip. And I believe this is going to be fun. You got to get it down in there. And you got to get it locked in place. Okay. So what you want is the drive coupler, the washer, and the snap ring, so then that stays with the chainsaw. Okay, so now we'll turn that around. Let's see if the drill fits on. There you go. So now your chain tensioner has to fit in this hole, so you have to adjust it till it'll go into the hole. There we go. So now that should go like that. And you get the original bar nuts. And tighten them up. And there you go. There is my drill attachment on MS250. We're going to try out the drill. We'll use the drill bit they sent. I'm going to have to somehow attach this to the chainsaw, because if I don't, I will never ever keep it.
that thing works incredible, but there is one thing that I can see possibly being a problem with it. But in my mind, it's kind of a minor problem. There's no reverse on it. So when you go into the log or into the tree, if you just drilled straight through and didn't slow down, you would hit a point where you would jam it and you can't get it out. If you actually use a little common sense and kind of in and out about 3 or 4 times, you should be able to tap a tree without getting it jammed. So I think it's pretty good. What's my thoughts on this drill attachment? Until I actually go try it, I won't get my full view of what I think of it, but it looks really, really well made, and there is absolutely nothing wrong with the construction of it and how it works. The only thing I wish it would have would be reverse, but you know what? This thing is $79 American, and what do you expect? But this is really going to speed up my tapping a maple, so that's about enough for today, and you guys have a good one.